Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hedgen Lee, and I want to share with you some details about the Great Wall of No. Here is a chart of the Brave New Coin Liquid Index. Since the titanic effort made during the 2017 manic rise, this resistance wall of no has held firm. After an 85% decline, there was a monstrous effort made to break this wall, and it was rejected by the no. Then a dwarf effort, which I had called the fake out, in January and February, was slapped down by the wall of no. We now have a Smurfs effort to do the same. Volume on spot price has been steadily on decline. If the monstrous titanic efforts could not do by breaching the Great Wall of No, what makes you think that Smurf and the dwarf of efforts could do what the prior monstrous and titanic efforts failed to do? What is needed for this decisive breach of the Wall of No? New money, new institutions, new capital-friendly environment, new use cases, easier use cases, new and more mainstream adoption, new depths. From a comparison of fundamentals perspective, during this time, and even in this attempt, was there a pandemic? No. Was there a recession? No. Was unemployment 20% or higher? 25%? No. Were people lining up for miles and miles at food banks? Nope. Was the only buyer in the market the Fed? No. So this Great Wall of No embodies not only the technical analysis component, but also the fundamental aspects. The comparison of halvings 1 and 2 showed they were very similar, well supported by a rising bull market in progress, new money coming into the market. Where was the new money coming from? It was coming from the people who held equities, institutions. Both during halving 1 for the S&P 500 in that time frame, it was on a bull market. Bull market again when the halving 2 occurred for the equities. Since halvings 1 and 2 enabled the price of Bitcoin to moon, halving 3 must do the same. That is a natural way of Bayesian statistical thinking. But is it the same? Current halving 3 approaches this week, and yet the market has been down on a downward trend, not on a rising trend. That, to me, ladies and gentlemen, is very significant and likely will have significant implications on price. At Hedging.com, every day we provide actionable analysis. We at Hedging.com are seeking, identifying generational buying opportunity that approaches. Have a great day.